You are an icy dragon, bitch. Yes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Just giving myself my daily pep talk. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
And welcome to another episode of the Alice and Jenny Show! Roo roo! As you can see, we've got a really special and cool setup here because we're doing a themed Get Ready With Me unboxing playtime video. I just got this in the mail today. It's from WetNWild. It's their new collection, limited edition, Fire Dragon versus Ice Dragon. Anyway, this is what it comes with a bunch of stuff. I've seen all this, but Jenny, you haven't.
I haven't seen it. It looks amazing. I can tell this is all very blue and this is all very red.
I'll be showing close-ups and swatches and prices right now. Here we have the collection box for $39.99, the Pro Line highlighting brush for $5.99, Pro Line bronzer brush for $7.99, Color Icon loose pigments $3.99 each, Color Icon bronzers $4.99 each, Mega Glow highlighters $4.99 each, Color Icon eyeshadow quads for $2.99 each, Mega Last metallic lipsticks $4.99 each, and then the Mega Last lip toppers also $4.99. I really like how WetNWild makes their cute little limited edition like boxes with the themes. I think it's kind of cool. We love a theme, bitch.
We do.
We don't love taking things out of this box.
There it goes. Okay.
Did you see the design on the inside of these?
They're stunning. I mean, these are all dragons.
Look at some of the, look at the names. These are literally, so I don't know if they were like, hey, let's capitalize on the whole Game of Thrones thing.
Oh, no, I got that right off the bat.
Definitely didn't want to, they probably didn't want to have to pay for any of like the royalties or like the licensing to use any of the Game of Thrones stuff. But like this was called Halo Walkers, Glow Watcher, Winter Falls in LA, the Knight's Quad.
Night Squad?
The Knight's Quad, like the Knight's Watch.
Oh, okay. I don't get it.
You've seen Game of Thrones, right?
I haven't yet.
Oh shit, Jesus.
But I do know that WetNWild is big on like they did the unicorn, they did the mermaid, and
so Dragon
next is dragon.
Dragon's Fire and Ice. It's very cool.
This is fit for a queen,
and I'm gonna be jumping into mythical creatures. Mythical. Yeah, I think this looks bomb for grabbing powder. I don't have to worry about the powder getting on my clothes because it's white.
Uh-oh.
I'm taking the brow bone color, which is the lightest one, and I'm gonna set my lid with that.
I keep looking for a mirror on this.
Cruelty-free. Yeah, I know. The second I was like, here, let me just. A lot of powder is happening. If you guys can see in that transition shade, but
I'm
it's no big deal.
I'm
just
trying to
pans.
scoop it up with me.
Yeah, I'm trying to like absorb as much as I can, but it's powdery, but it's nice. I mean, look at that transition shade, bitch. You know what this collection reminds me of?
Yes, Alice. Yes, I do. Stop it. Shut the fuck up. Is it Banjo-Tooie?
Yeah, Banjo-Tooie or Banjo-Kazooie, whatever.
Where there's like the ice
literally
side and the fire side. I can't.
Well, cheers to that. Comment below if you guys know what we're talking about.
Oh my god, I am serving you interview with a vampire bitch. Just a vampire, not a vampire bitch. Like a nice one.
That's the kind of vampire you want to be?
Well, I'm nice at first, I guess.
I'm having a little bit of a hard time with this sparkly blue shadow. It looks like a beautiful sparkly blue in the pan, but it doesn't build up and then it just blends out to be kind of like a sheer navy blue. I don't know. I'm gonna stop complaining about it and just trying to make it work. Wait a minute.
I'll put that in the center.
You know what? Get this out of my sight. I'm gonna use the pigment The pigment, bitch. This is what I should have been using the whole time. I forgot loose pigment is so bomb because it's, dare I say, pigmented. I mean, it is. It's pigmented, bitch.
I look ridiculous. Like I'm gonna be like in one of the new Marvel movies. Like, hi.
That's an everyday makeup look for me. What the fuck? I think it's great.
Well, thank you, Alice. You know what? I think yours is great. I think you always have like some way to make blue work. Because for me, I'm not good at blue at all. But you can just try it and it actually works.
Thank you.
Even though you think that looks shitty.
I'm gonna make it work. Let's finish off the eyes. Let's do like liner, you know, whatever. I have to pee. Let's pee.
So do I.
I want to dig into these bronzers. I know I already have a little bit of contour. I went light with my contour so that I could bronze. I think the coolest one out of the bunch is called Bronze Dynasty. As a pale person who doesn't wear a lot of bronzer, where would I put bronzer? I take it and put it on the back half of my cheekbone. Like so, blush would be right here and then bronzer right there. And then
yeah, I'm thinking that maybe Queensland.
Those are gonna. I think those are gonna be too dark. This one's honestly
might be a little too dark.
This is beautiful and like buttery. It's a pretty nice color, huh? I do think I need a little blush, and there's no blush in this collection, so I'm gonna have to dig into my own.
My forehead is not fiery enough, bitch.
I need to try highlighting with this adorable little brush right here. I'm gonna jump into Glow Watcher. Little, and there it goes. Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Oh, I do see that there's a lot coming out on your skin.
Gives a little bit of a dark cast, which isn't ideal. Oh, the brow bone though. Check that out. That is great.
I'm not very dexterous, you know? Like when it comes to using certain brushes and stuff, like unless I own the brush, I mean for me it's just
own it.
I struggle.
Own it, bitch. Own the brush.
I'm not a makeup artist. I'm sorry.
Own the brush. Me neither. Own the brush.
She's officially been sprayed with Pam.
She's officially been sprayed with paint. Why does it sound like there's somebody on my front porch right now? I don't know. Property.
No, but I'm not here
Ooh,
for it.
you know what we could do? We could spray ourselves with setting spray and then put on even more highlighter.
I don't think I need any more highlighter.
Okay. All that's left is lips now. Wet n Wild's metallic liquid lipsticks are very hit or miss. Yeah. The problem that I'm having right now is I expect it to look like how it looks in the tube, but it's almost like they're like, oh no, you're not ready for the pigment, like you're not ready for that. We'll dull it down a little bit for you and make it like not very pigmented.
I had to keep going back and forth.
Yeah, it's like sheer.
It's sheer all throughout the middle of your bottom lip.
And then, but it built up on the very corners. Like, look, you guys. It's just not as opaque as I want it to be. See, that doesn't look bad. That doesn't. When something's kind of like lip colored, you can't tell that much that it's not very pigmented. Jesus Christ, this is so dry.
I slightly agree, but you can't give it a pass just because it's a lip colored.
Yeah, no.
It's doing the same thing. When I drag it to my corner, it's not here. It's gone. It's like,
not a
where
good
is
formula.
it? And for people who are like me, who aren't like that great at applying,
it makes it hard, huh?
It makes it really hard, and then you're dipping in, and then you're overdoing it, and then it gets chunky. It gets weird. Disappointed.
Dare I try this?
Should what? Alice, do it.
Ooh.
Wait, can I try this one?
Yeah. It's turning it baby blue. This is like a really pigmented gloss.
Stop it.
Ooh, well that's pretty. That's like rose gold. I love the concept behind the collection. I think it's really cool to have makeup and stuff that isn't just like, oh, it's a blue lipstick, or like, oh, it's an eyeshadow quad. Like it's got that fire and ice like dragon, like, and the cool names and like all the cute branding. I personally like that. The loose pigments are absolutely amazing. Oh, I also think that the bronzer was nice. And if you don't already have a blue highlighter, the highlighters are nice too. But the eyeshadow quads and the lip products I don't think are the best. For myself, I would have to say Fit for a Queen. This red is a really nice deep dark red. I agree with you on there. I didn't, for the quad, I didn't have a problem with the mattes. It was the shimmer and the glitter. I'm living for this. This is it looks reddish, but it's actually like, it has like the shiniest, most adorable pinky thing to it, which I love pink, so. The least favorite would have to be the lip. The brushes were nice. It was a fun collection to play with. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this get ready with us / review / look. Have you tried anything from this collection? Are you gonna get anything from this collection? Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Bye. She's blown it out too far. She has blown it out all the way up into the hair. What did you tell me? It's everywhere. Sorry, I don't look at your tits the whole time we film. The Santi Kajal Waterline Eyeliner in Intense Black. It's so black. Isn't it called Kajal? I thought it was Kajal? Okay, Kajal. I am a dumbass. Just throwing that out there. So I shake out a bunch. I take the lid off. Oh. Blend to make the right shape, but then like once you have that shape, like just a little bit more on. You know what I'm saying? I have 17 layers. Yeah. Today, girl. Welcome to my channel. We call Muffin a little dragon because he kind of looks like a little dragon with his little dragon eyes. He's like I don't appreciate this. Muffin, look at the camera. Muffin, we need to do lashes. You be quiet now, okay? Why don't you just stay put? Here, look, there's a box. There's a box for you to crawl into. So much cat hair gets stuck to my face. Big lashes, big city. Go big lasher. Go home, lash. Go home, bitch. Oh wait, and what am I using? You're using that. This is icy. You're golden, bitch. You're fiery, dragon. Do you need to look at the backdrop? Yes, bitch. Yes! See.